on the air. My name is Tina Bass, and this is my colleague Thomas Bont. And this is an urgent inclusion. Just the other day, a dc134c plane from Passagier was looking for
Skes GDE to Poseridine. The plane was flying from Japan to London and disappeared somewhere in between, but we managed to get a sound recording from the scene. Faint of heart, please do not watch this recording.
dc134c, how are you doing?
Everything is fine. Let's fly calmly.
Got it. End of connection.
Alex, we have problems. I don't know what it is or how to describe it. Looks like a portal or something. The second pilot is not conscious. Oh my god, he has no pulse. He's dead. I'm losing control. Help! My hands, they melt. God, oh god, help, 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 help!
I don't know what to say. This is the creepiest thing I've ever heard.
Let me tell you, after these events, believers called this incident the new era of hosts. Believers claimed that they had a dream where the plane was taken by a new ruler. A week ago,
Strange graffiti
That's all we have.